Hey y'all, it's Governor Tate Reeves, and I'm excited to congratulate the Aberdeen School District on today's aircraft reveal ceremony. Simply put, your Bulldogs Cleared for Takeoff program and this new aircraft are impressive, and it's a phenomenal opportunity for students to learn cutting-edge skills that will skyrocket them into the jobs of the next 50 years. I'd like to thank all of the educators, the students, and the community supporters who helped make today possible. The Bulldogs Cleared for Takeoff program is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for high school students, and I know that this new aircraft will be a major asset in training students for high-paying careers. Again, congratulations on this momentous occasion. Keep up the good work, and I look forward to seeing you soon. God bless.